Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be playing a new game which is called DLS 2020 DLS 21. So we're in 2021 right now. So if this caught your eye, so my Dream League Soccer FC name is Rahul FC. So we're playing the Global Challenge Cup. So basically DLS is a football game. So we're playing against Real Madrid. Oh no, they have so many goal players. I have an injured player, so let's just fix that. So basically, this is my injured player here. So so basically, this is a blue player. So this game is like a football game. So I'll be showing you like how to play when we reach the game, when we're in the game. So guys, there's actually commentary, but I'm not gonna turn that on because that will disrupt the audio. So the game is starting. So actually, if you click on the B button, if you guys can see, there are B, A, and C in the bottom left, bottom right on in the screen. So there's B, A, and C. So B is for passing, or it can be for shooting also. So it'll be little less. So see now B, I'm pressing B. So it'll pass. It'll go on the roll. It'll go on the floor. So then now we've got, so let's try out A 1 second. Oh no, I don't lose a goal. We're playing against Real Madrid, guys. They're too strong. They're too strong, Real Madrid. So if you use A, oh my god. So if you use A, we'll just shoot the ball, and if you use C, it'll like float. So yeah, we're playing against Real Madrid now. It's a 90-minute game, like real football. So my team is Rahul FC, and I'm red in color. And if you guys didn't know, I'm red in this game, red in t-shirt and white pant, and Real Madrid is white and white. So I got the ball to my goalkeeper. Pass it. So I just aired over there. If you guys saw, my goalkeeper shot and I just aired it. So there are like many stages, like Division 3. So I'm in Division 3 now. So because I've like just started. So then we've got many more like that. Not just started. I've been playing for a long time. I've just like this is like I just installed this game today, but I had my old account. My old account only. That's why I had so many good players. So no, it's gonna be a goal. It's gonna be a goal. Is it a goal? Foul him. Oh, phew, not a penalty. Got a red card. Oh, I got red card. No, guys, I got booked. I got a red card. No, if you guys don't know what red card means, oh, oh. If you guys don't know what red card means, it's actually like your player will he can't play the game anymore. Or you can't change him, so he'll just like go. So I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you when goal happens, cause this will take a lot of time. Bye guys. Just gonna pause the game and pause the game. So guys, quick update on the scoreboard. It's been 70 minutes, no goals, nothing has happened, just been passing. And I got like one shot on target, but the goalkeeper had saved it. So see, and Real Madrid people like keep throwing it out. It's annoying. I'm just gonna pass it to my goalkeeper. I'm gonna do A. So this is how A works. So it'll go really high like that. So I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you if anybody scores a goal. So guys, it's full time. Game is over. It's a draw. So no goal scored. It's just a draw. So no extra time in this because it's just a global challenge cup. So there'll be no extra time on this. So in the global challenge cup, we are currently in. So if you guys can see group 1, I'm group 1, the blue line. So I won the last game I played. Then group 2 we have the in group 3 we have Chelsea, I think. In group 3 we have Man United. Then we've got something I don't know, Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. Then we've got Atletico Madrid, Napoli, like many teams like that in the Global Challenge Cup. So I think next game is the division. Yeah, so let's play the division game. Play. This has to be a bit easy. So guys, I'll see you when I'm in a game. So guys, we're in the game now. So yeah, let's see. Come on, tackle. So guys, in tackling, B is used to just do that. B is just used to possess, and A is used to slide tackle like this. You guys can say I used A over there. So now I just used B. I don't know what C does. No, I don't want C. Okay, C. Come on, let's score a goal now. Come on. Oh no. Oh. Come on, shoot. Oh my god, that guy was tackling me. I couldn't see. Oh no. It's okay. So it's already 12 minutes and 12 seconds more like. See, yeah, it's actually like I don't know how much 1 minute is in this game. It's not really 90 minutes. Who will waste their time playing 90 minutes this game every day? So it's not really 90 minutes. So let's play. Come on. No. Boom. Come on. Easy goal. Don't be offside. Yes. Goal. Let's go! Our first goal in this video, or in the first ever video we've made in DLS 21, our goal, Rakitic. Just see the replay. What a goal. Top corner. GG. So we're winning. So we're just gonna be playing 3 games in this video. So we already played 1 game. So this is the second game. So after this, just 1 more game. Come on. Amelda. Oh, easy. It just gave me a walkthrough, guys. What a goal. Let's just see the replay. I hit the pole over here. Yeah, I hit the pole. Then Rakitic. Easy goal. No open goal. I just want to go near and shoot. See, this is a better angle. What? It hit the pole. Then he came. He shot. What a goal. By Ivan Rakitic. On a hat trick he is, guys. So as I said, I'm only gonna be playing 3 games in this video. So oh my god, how is that a free kick? Injured. Okay, I injured him. I'm sorry. I didn't get any card because I didn't slide tackle. Okay, come on, let's make another goal. Amelda, come on, Amelda. This time you do it. I have faith in you. It is Amelda, dude. Can't do anything. Offside, really? Guys, I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you when another goal comes. So guys, we've got good news. Another goal. See the replay. Hat-trick, Rakitic. Again it's Rakitic. So guys, just see the replay. Amelda has the ball. Rakitic to pass. Then Rakitic with a clean finish. Actually, Rakitic is my captain because he's the first player I got, I think, the gold player. So I made him the captain, and he scored. He's on a he got a hat trick. He scored 3 goals. No, I don't just pass the goalkeeper. Boom. See, Amelda to Rakitic again. Come on, Rakitic, another one. Come on, score another goal. Come on, you got this. You've got this. Oh my God, I'm clean sweeping. This Grandas, I don't know what's the name. I don't know. Okay, let's watch the replay. Come on, Rakitic, Ivan Rakitic, another goal. 4th goal for Rakitic. What is this? Granada. I'm trashing Granada. So guys, we're just gonna play 1 game after this. So it can be Division or it can be Global Challenge Cup. Hopefully it's Global Challenge Cup. Or it can be Silver Cup. But I don't think it's that. Come on. Do I give this guy a penalty? Oh no, I goalkeeper saved. I was about to slide tackle him because I wanted to see how the goalkeeper penalty is gonna show you guys. Come on, we're gonna slide tackle this guy. Oh, what a save! Oh, Higuain is injured. Higuain. Okay, come on, let's slide tackle. I wanna show you how to use the penalty. Oh no! It's a goal! But still, I'm winning 4-1. So guys, I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you when in the next game, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna see you because I've already won this game. So I'll see you when I'm in the next game. So guys, we won the game. Full time. Of course, Rakitic has to be the man of the match. He scored 4 goals. So, continue. So we're in first place in the points table. As you guys can see the points table, I'm moving it. We are in first place. Some Full is in the second place. Osa, where Odi, I don't know their full names. I think Full is Fulham because they're written over here, and Osa is Osuna. Okay, what's that? So we're gonna play one more game, and it is a Global Challenge Cup match. Let's go! It's a Global Challenge Cup group match. We're playing against CVGO. So I'll see you when a goal comes, guys. So game already started. So I'll see you when a goal happens, guys. So guys, we scored a goal. 26. It's Rakitic again. Rakitic is too OP, guys. Just see the replay. See the replay. 1 second. Replay is gonna come now. Rakitic. It's just Rakitic. He scored like so. The first match we have drawn in this video. First match we have drawn. Second match we have gone ahead and won, and third match we are leading 1-0. This is the last and final match. So we are Rakitic just scored a goal. So I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you when a goal happens. So guys, we're back with another goal. It's Rakitic again. Nobody can stop Rakitic. Oh my god, how is a Rakitic scoring so many goals? See guys, he scored again. Wow, we're leading 2-0 now. So it's 2-0. Finally, we're gonna win the second match also, I think. To totally play 3 matches. We're easily gonna win this. Come on. Let Almeida score one. Bro! This guy can't score anything, this Almeida fellow. This guy can't score anything. It's just a literally open goal. Come on. What? How did it go there? Oh, injured fellow. Let's just substitute him. So we're leading. So I'll see you when the game is over, guys, I think. Or when somebody scores another goal. Because I think I'm gonna score another goal now. Pass it. Oh, no, it's a goal. It's offside, right? I knew it was offside. That's why I just shot. It was offside. Guys, if you don't know what offside is, it's actually when it's like if you pass a player when he's in front of all your players, it's called offside or onside. So I'm gonna pause it now and I'll see you when a goal happens or when the game is over. So guys, we didn't score a goal, but I think I'm no. Oh no, free kick. Red card, yes, we got a guy out here. Olaza, boom, shakalaka. I thought I was gonna score a goal, that's why I just unpaused the video. And also the game is over. Also I wanna show you guys how to take a free kick. No, okay, we can still score a goal. Oh no. So guys, I think the game is over after this guy kicks. See? This guy will kick, I'm not even moving here. Full time. So we won out of the 3 matches we played. We drawed 1 and won 2. So let's see where we are in the points. Ivan Rakitic, again the man of the match. Wow, nobody can stop him. Okay, so we are in first place in our group stage. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're till here, please subscribe and like the video. And even if you're not here, please subscribe and like the video. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.